So hello friends, welcome back to another video. So as you all know, Wipro recently announced the Elite Exclusive Hiring 2025 Financial Year 26 for the off-campus candidates. And in this video, I am going to discuss about the hiring process in details. And already some candidates received the online assessment and their assessment will be scheduled on tomorrow, and I will also share the previous hiring questions PDF with you for free. If you go through with this PDF, then definitely you will take an idea how were the questions asked in the previous assessments. So it will really benefit you, and don't skip any part of this video because I will tell you how you can access this PDF for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So firstly discuss about the hiring process in details. So first round is online assessment, and after clearing the online assessment you will get SVR assessment. SVR assessment is simply a voice assessment or communication assessment, and I will make separate video on the SVR assessment, and I will share exactly same questions PDF with you, and you will also get the same questions in the exam. And after clearing the SVR assessment, then you will move forward to the technical interview, and after completing the technical interview you will may get the HR interview. Currently, the Wipro is not taking the HR interview. They are taking technical round and HR round combined. After the technical round and the HR round, there will be a selection mail, that is LOI. So you will get LOI after getting selected in the Wipro. And after the LOI, you will get BGV mail. BGV is basically background verification mail, and after uploading the documents in the BGV portal you will get to see a green audit mail. It means your documents got verified successfully. And after the green audit mail you will get to see pre-skilling training, and it is mandatory to all to participate in the pre-skilling training. Without participating in the pre-skilling training you will not get the offer letter from the Wipro. And after successfully clearing the pre-skilling training you will get offer letter, and after receiving the offer letter you will get onboarding. So this is the hiring process of the Wipro. So now moving forward to the online assessment. So as you can see, the online assessments are already out, and the assessment will be scheduled for the Sunday 13th July 9 a.m. Some candidates have 9 a.m. slot and some candidates have a 12 p.m. slot on 13th of July. So this is the first round mail. So in this mail it is written, thank you for applying to Wipro campus recruitment process. As a next step, you are requested to appear for the online assessment, and please read the instructions mentioned below mail carefully. You have to read all the instructions before the online assessment because you have downloaded a lockdown browser. In this mail you will get link to take the assessment, so simply click on the link and then you will get redirected to the platform where they will take the online assessment. And now moving forward to the what is the pattern of the online assessment. So the test pattern will be, first you will get test 1, that is aptitude test. So it consists of 3 sections: English, analytical reasoning and quantitative aptitude, and the timing will be 40 minutes. You have 40 questions and there is no negative marking. And the second test is technical knowledge test. So it is MCQ based test and it is of 15 minutes and having 15 questions, and also there is no negative marking for this. And after completing this you will have test 3, that is coding test, and it is of 20 minutes and consists 2 coding questions, and there is no negative marking again. And after the coding test you will move forward to the test 4, that is WET test, written English test. So it is of 20 minutes and you have 1 question and there is no negative marking in this. So in written English test basically you have to write an essay on the given topic. So this is the pattern for the online assessment, and you can read the important instructions from here before starting the online assessment. And here is a note: all tests are linked, will appear one after the other. All tests are mandatory, hence please appear for all 4 tests one by one. So after completing the online assessment you will get to see this type of mail after some days, that is online assessment result mail. So in this mail it is written, congratulations on successfully clearing the online assessment. We are excited to inform you about the next steps in our recruitment process. This mail you will get after some days. Maybe it will take 10 days, 12 days, or sometimes it will take 30 days. So the next round after the online assessment is voice assessment round, then technical round, then HR round, then letter of intent, pre-skilling training, then offer letter. So you will get to see this type of mail after clearing the online assessment. And now moving forward to the online assessment previous coding questions. So here you can see This is the platform AON in which you have to attempt the online assessment. So as I discussed about the test pattern, you'll get to see the two coding questions. You can see this type of coding questions they will ask in the online assessment. The questions were really easy and you will able to clear it. So these type of questions you will get to see. So in this video I am showing only one question. So now moving forward to the online assessment previous coding questions. So basically this PDF contains Wipro repeated online assessment coding questions. So now I will tell you how you can access this PDF for free. So firstly you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, then you have to join my Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is given in the description, and simply you have to click on the link and you will automatically join to Telegram channel. And after joining the Telegram channel, simply in the Telegram channel chat you have to write hashtag online assessment PDF, and you will immediately get a message in which the PDF is mentioned like this, and simply you have to download the PDF by clicking the download button. Then you can access the PDF for free, and you can check out the proof in my YouTube channel also. Those who go through with the PDFs that I provided, they already got selected. And I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest updates regarding the Wipro. And let's meet in the new video, and thank you friends.